Let's take you outside to the coast right now. There is Newport. There is the rain. Boy, it's a really soggy scene. Much wetter there on the central coast and points south than it is in Portland. And yes, humidity is 100%. That's because the dew point temperature and the air temperature meet and match, and that's when you get 100% humidity. Okay, let's take you to Portland. It's not quite as wet. It's 55 and it's not raining. Still very humid, not as humid. So yeah, we've seen a little bit of a break as the heavy rain has sagged just a bit to the south and east of us. Now, that atmospheric river that gave us the record rainfall yesterday is still with us, but it's weakened. You can see here, there's the rain right through there, and the heaviest rain right now in southern Oregon. So we're not done, but it won't be as dramatic as what it was yesterday. We picked up 3,100ths of an inch of rain in Portland today, and as you go north, far lesser amounts after they had incredible amounts yesterday. Remember, up on Mount St. Helens, like 7-8 inches of rain. Here are the records, though, from yesterday. Astoria, 2.98 inches. McMinnville, 1.98. Salem, where the rainfall records go back to the 1890s, 1.76. Hillsborough broke a record that had stood for, 82 years. It was last set in 1940. In Portland, we tied our record rainfall for yesterday with 1.66 inches, which begs the question, what will March be like? I always get this at the beginning of the month, and this is the latest forecast from the Climate Prediction Center showing above average rainfall is more likely than not here in the northwestern United States. What about temperatures? More than likely cooler than normal. All that bodes well for our snowpack, for our water supply going into summer and beyond. And maybe that doesn't match up well with your spring break plans, but we're going to get some dry time in. In fact, most of the 7-day forecast, next 7 days, is dry. 59 our high today. Troutdale and Scappoose both made 60, and it was 69 over in Hermiston. That was the hot spot in Oregon this afternoon. Tomorrow, rainy on and off throughout the day. It won't be raining every minute of every hour, but more than not, we will get a rainy day out of it. Temperatures in the 50s, not moving a whole lot there. And the best thing about this graphic, that sunset tomorrow at 5:59, which means the day after tomorrow, we'll have our first 6 p.m. sunset of 2022. So here is the atmospheric river, and you can see it extends well on down to the south, but it has moved position just a bit. It's aimed a little bit to our south, and again, it's weakened. The winds aren't as strong. The air mass isn't as rich with moisture as it was yesterday. That said, as I said before, it will be a rainy day tomorrow, just not as wet as what we saw yesterday. And then finally, early on Thursday morning, that rain washes out, breaks up into showers and sunbreaks, so we'll get some blue sky in between the showers, which will be pretty scattered. And then Friday looks dry, and other than some showers on Saturday, it looks dry again after that. So this is the rainfall between now and early on Thursday morning. And after that, watch, hardly anything clicking away in Portland. A couple of hundreds perhaps on Saturday. That's about it. Overall, the pattern will be cooler, though, as we start getting storm systems coming from the northwest. That little blue circle right there, that's one on Friday, staying mainly offshore. There's another one, weak reflection of it there on Saturday, so that's why some showers. But after that, it should be dry and really quite pleasant. Won't be as warm, but it should be quite a bit. It will be a lot drier. 55 right now, and the freezing level 7,100 feet. It's about 2,000 feet lower off the coast of Washington. Occasional rain tonight, and then a pretty good soaker tomorrow. Highs in the mid-50s. Probably end up with about a quarter to a half an inch of rain tomorrow. Sun and showers Thursday, then dry Friday. A few sprinkles on Saturday, then dry again after that. And we'll be back after this.